Like and share this video, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon for any query, comment below.
Now guys, as you can see, we have our application up and running, and as you can see, all the buttons looks very beautiful, and we have the animation goes in the background. And let's click on this, for example, this button right here, and just hear the sound and also the background color.
5.
So as you can see, it's very nice, of course. Okay,
Finish.
so I hope you guys can hear the sound.
Follow.
Okay,
5.
it's very nice. And in this section guys, in this application, we have learned about the audios and how to add audio to your application. We have also play around with the animation and also the background colors. It's very nice. Okay, so that was our application audio. Okay, and hope you guys learned something from this application, and we are going to continue on in the next video. So in this video, I just want to show you the application that you are going to build after finishing this section. So as you can see, we have an application for displaying list of users, and this application using the RecyclerView. And also we are going to implement another functionality just to introduce you to the advanced Android development concepts. Okay, so here this application, if we run it or start interacting with it, once we click on one of the items here on the RecyclerView, we are going to show a list of data for this user, and we can click on the call button to open the contact phone application, which is application installed by default on any Android device. Now this application will combine the RecyclerView with the intent, which is really big topic that you need to deal with. So that was this application for this section. There will be much more advanced applications in the next few sections, but I just want to introduce you to the advanced concepts. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you are interested, let's dive right in. Hello and welcome. Now in this video, we are going to take another Android diagram. Okay, we are going to talk about the dot in Android in general. So ladies and gentlemen, so you probably have seen the dot in a lot of time. For example, in the Kotlin section, or even in the upcoming section, you will see the dot a lot. Okay, so let's discuss that. We use the dot in Android for two meanings. Okay, the first one is to apply something for on something. Sorry, the first one is to apply something on something. Okay, for example, if we type alert.show, we are telling it to show the alert. Okay, by using the dot show, that means apply the show function on the alert. Okay, and the second thing, it's for the navigation or navigating between the stuff from outside to inside. Like if we type r.id.viewID, here we are going to from the whole resource, which is the capital R, to the IDs. Okay, to the IDs resources, the .id dot specific ID. Okay, so going back to our Android Studio, let's discuss this stuff. So the first thing that we need to do, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna quickly here, for example, we do not have anything to show, but let's create our own. For example, I'm gonna create a variable. Okay, I'm gonna call it, for example, name. It's equal to something like Rob. Okay, here we have a variable called name. Okay, the value of it Rob. Now I'm gonna do, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna type, for example, name. Oops, let's type name dot. Then what I want to do, ladies and gentlemen, I just wanna apply something on that variable. Okay, so this is the idea behind the dot. For example, dot, we do not have too much functions, but let's say, for example, to int or whatever. For example, here to string, we are applying the toString function. Of course, this is not valid because the variable is already string, but here we are applying the toString function on the name variable that we have. Okay, so this is the first usage of the dot, and the second one here we can notice it. For example, here we are typing r.layout dot activity main. Here we are going from the higher stuff to the lower. For example, from the R, that means the whole resources inside our project. Then dot, we are going to the layout. Okay, then we want to choose a specific layout. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so this is the idea behind the dot, and it's actually another programming language. It has the same meaning. So thank you guys so much for watching. We are gonna talk about more stuff in the next few videos.